hired on £30,000 per year salary in 7 weeks. Started from zero experience. Răzvan Pușcașu tried the sailor life and he did the maths. How long does he stay at home? How much does he get paid while in contract? And how much he has to pay for bribes? And he decided he's ready to start something else, something new, a new job in his life. Something that works better. He started practice all day, from morning till night. Since the sun rises till you can no longer keep your eyes opened. He managed from former gamer, from zero experience to employee to employed as a web developer in just 7 weeks. £30,000 per year job straight from the first interview, where he would work for a long time for Vodafone. I usually wake up the earliest in the house. While Răzvan practiced on a daily basis, every time I would wake up in the morning, I was delighted to see Răzvan already up and running in front of his PC, working on projects, listing out lots of questions and things that went well and things that went less well. That technically makes Răzvan the first to wake up. Congratulations to Răzvan for the level of commitment and the focus he proved to have. Răzvan Pușcașu has progressed in his career later on to £50,000 per year and then £55,000 per year. To join the team and practice daily, subscribe to Join Odop and apply.